The return of the dire wolf. From extinction to rebirth introduction, the dire wolf, Echinocyon dirus, is one of the most iconic and enigmatic prehistoric predators of the Pleistocene epoch. With its massive build, fearsome bite, and mysterious extinction, the dire wolf has long captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Now, in an unprecedented fusion of paleontology and biotechnology, this legendary species has been brought back from extinction, making headlines across the globe. 1. Origins in natural history. Physical traits and classification. The dire wolf was significantly larger and stockier than the modern gray wolf, Canis lupus, weighing up to 150 pounds. It had a broader skull, stronger jaws, and heavily built limbs, adaptations for taking down large prey. Despite its close resemblance to the gray wolf, DNA studies have confirmed that it is a distinct genus, Echinocyon, meaning terrible wolf. Habitat and range. Dire wolves roamed vast territories across North and South America. Fossils have been found from Canada to Bolivia, with major concentrations in places like the La Brea tar pits in California. Diet and behavior. Dire wolves were apex predators that primarily hunted megafauna such as bison, horses, camels, and giant ground sloths. Fossil sites with multiple skeletons suggest pack behavior, similar to modern wolves. 2. Extinction and the end of an era. Timing and causes. Dire wolves went extinct approximately 10,000 years ago during the Quaternary extinction event. Likely causes include the disappearance of large prey animals due to climate change, increased competition with other predators, including humans and gray wolves, rapid environmental shifts that disrupted their food chain. Legacy in popular culture. The dire wolf has become a cultural icon, especially popularized by HBO's Game of Thrones, where it served as the sigil of House Stark and as the loyal companion of the Stark children. 3. The De-Extinction Project 2025 breakthrough scientific milestone. On April 7, 2025, Colossal Biosciences, a Texas-based biotechnology company, announced the successful revival of the dire wolf through a process involving ancient DNA extracted from 13,000 to 72,000-year-old fossils, gene editing of modern gray wolf embryos using CRISPR technology, implantation of edited embryos into surrogate wolf mothers, birth of a new generation 3 healthy dire wolf pups, named Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, were born in a protected research facility. The pups display many of the physical and behavioral traits associated with the extinct species. Early reports confirm their robust build, unique fur patterns, and powerful jaws. Purpose and potential. The project aims to reintroduce ecological balance to certain habitats. Scientists are studying how these wolves interact with their environment and each other. If successful, this could pave the way for similar de-extinction efforts for species like the woolly mammoth. 4. Ethical and ecological concerns. Bioethics and risks. Critics argue that reviving extinct species raises profound ethical questions. Should we bring back creatures whose ecosystems no longer exist? What are the long-term welfare and survival prospects for these animals? Environmental balance. There's concern over introducing apex predators into modern ecosystems. Conservationists caution that efforts to restore biodiversity must not disrupt current species or lead to unforeseen ecological imbalances. 5. The future of de-extinction. The dire wolf's revival marks a historic turning point in conservation science. While some hail it as a triumph of human ingenuity, others warn of playing God with evolution. Regardless of stance, it's clear that this breakthrough represents the dawn of a new era, one where extinction may no longer be forever. From roaming ancient plains to living again in the 21st century, the dire wolf's story is one of resilience, mystery, and cutting-edge science. Whether this revival proves to be a blessing or a cautionary tale remains to be seen. What's certain is that the dire wolf, once a ghost of the past, is now very much a part of our future.